Yeah.
Okay. So today we are going to discuss forfeiture of shares allotted on pro rata. Means there is oversubscription and we have issued our share on pro rata basis, and after some time, after the non-payment of call, we have forfeited the shares. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
can you tell me if you remember the concept of for pro rata allotment for him?
What, sir? Pro
Rata allotment, oversubscription.
oversubscription.
Ritika?
Yes, sir. When shares are oversubscribed, we find the ratio of the issued shares and the subscribed shares, and we use the required number of shares for the application, and the remaining excess share we use it in the next calls, like allotment for the calls.
Yes, very good. So I'm giving you a brief about this because I think you forgot the concept for him. So the thing is, when we issue 1 lakh share
Yeah.
and we receive application of 1,50,000 shares. So in this case, we cannot issue this much share. Yes.
Yes.
So what we do, we calculate the proportion, means 1 lakh into 1,50,000. So you can see 2:3 the ratio. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So for every 3 application, we will issue only 2 shares.
Okay.
So for 1,50,000 shares, we will issue only 1 lakh shares. And
1 lakh shares.
Yes, and the excess application money on 50,000 shares will be used in future calls.
Okay.
Do you remember now?
Yes, sir.
So this is the concept of pro rata allotment. Now, in this type of problem, okay, actually, let me share you a question with the same. Okay. Okay, you can see the question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is our question here. Now let's take the question number 83.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I'm reading the question. I will explain the question and then we'll discuss the theoretical part with this question. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
A Limited invited application for issuing 1 lakh share of ₹10 each at a premium of 1 per share. The amount was payable as follows. Fahim, can you mute your mic? There is some background noise.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So on application, 3 per share, on allotment, allotment 3 per share, including premium, it means allotment is only 2 rupees. 1 rupees is premium. On first call, there is 3 per share. On second and final call, balance. Application for 1,60,000 shares were received. Allotment was made on the following basis. To applicant for 90,000 shares, we have to issue 40,000. For applicant for 50,000 shares, we have to issue 40,000 shares, and to applicant for 20,000 shares, we have to issue full shares. So there is 3 category we have to consider while solving the question. Okay, these 3 category are treated differently. Okay, because in first case there is 4:9 ratio, means for every 9 application we will issue only 4 share. In second case, we have issued 40,000 shares for 50,000 application, means 4:5 ratio. For every 5 share we have issued only 4 share. And the third situation, in this we have issued the total shares, that is the application we have received for. So to applicant for 20,000 shares, full share, means 20,000 was application, 20,000 was allotment. Now, excess money paid on application is to be adjusted against the amount due on allotment and calls. Okay, in this question actually there is premium also given. If we combine oversubscription and premium, then maybe there will be some confusion. So to understand the concept, I'm removing premium for just now. We'll discuss the question with premium, but I'm removing the premium for just now. Okay, is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Fahim?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So excess money paid on application is to be adjusted against the amount due on allotment and calls. Rishabh, a shareholder who applied for 1,500 shares and belonged to category 2, did not pay allotment first and second. And final call. Okay, so he only paid application. Now, another shareholder, Sudha, who applied for 1,800 share and belonged to category 1, did not pay the first and second and final call. So she did paid the allotment of. Okay, so all the types of Rishabh and Sudha were forfeited and were subsequently reissued at 7 per share, fully paid. Pass the necessary journal entry in the books of A Limited, open calls in area account and calls in advance account wherever required. Now, in this question, we have to open calls in area account. It is clearly said in the question. Yes.
Yes, sir. So, sir,
Yes,
if it's required, we need to open it, and if it's not, then we'll not open it, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Ritika, you were saying something?
no, sir.
Okay. So let's understand the question first. Actually, the calculation part in these type of question is most difficult part. After that, you will be easily solve question, because once you have done the calculation, then the question will be easy. So let's start. Just remember that I have changed portion a little bit. I have removed the premium. So first of all, application receipt. Total application received is 1,60,000. Actually, application we don't have to consider, but let's now divide these into 3 categories. First is 90,000 application. So if we talk about amount, application money, then it will be 90,000 into 3. that is 2,70,000. In the second part, it is 50,000 application. So 50,000 into 3, 1,50,000. And the third part, 20,000 application. And we have received 20,000 into 3, that is 60,000. Is there any problem here?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Good. Okay. Now, in this category, let's take first category here. In this category, how much application money we have utilized? How much share we have given? You have not seen the question.
Yeah, sir. Can you show the question once more?
Okay. Actually, open the question because I have my book here, so I will see from that. So just take the screenshot so that.
Sir, in the book, it's question number 83 only.
Yes.
Okay, I'll check.
You found the question, Ritika?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for 90,000 application, we have allotted 40,000 here. It means we have utilized 40,000 into 3. That is 1,20,000. Here also we have utilized 40,000 into 3. It means 1,20,000. In this category, we have utilized full amount. So there is no additional calculation required here in third category. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is done. No additional calculation. Now, in first part, in second part, there are some excess application money. Can you tell me in first category, how much is the excess application money?
The 1,50,000.
So excess is 2,70,000 minus 120. Total 1,50,000. And here excess is 1,50,000 minus 1,20,000. So it is 30,000. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how we will use this access application money in next call, allotment or first call or final?
Sir, we need to adjust it, right?
Yes. So how much money will be adjusted in allotment?
Uh, 90,000, sir.
In question, I have changed the situation a little bit. I told you about that. So there is application of 3, allotment of 2, first call is 3, and final call is 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in allotment, we can maximum money that we can utilize is 2 rupees on the allotted share. So we have allotted this share 40,000.
Yes, sir.
So on allotment, we can only utilize 40,000 into 2, that is 80,000.
80,000. Yeah.
Here also 40,000 into 2, that is 80,000. It means the total money will be utilized in allotment itself. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Ritika.
Yes, sir.
So we need at least 50,000 in allotment in second category.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And in first category, we will utilize 80,000 in application. And on first call, we can utilize 40,000 into 3. That is 1,20,000. Yes.
Yes, sir.
But the
Yes, sir.
access application money is not enough to fulfill full amount of first call. So it will be 70,000 that we utilize in first call.
Yes, sir.
Now it is clear. There is a little confusing calculation here, but I think it is clear to you both.
Yes, sir.
Fahim.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whenever you have any doubt, you have any question, so please tell me, because at that time it will be easy for you to understand, because I'm trying to solve the question. So after solving full part of the question, it will be difficult for you. So now the balance calculation for journal entry we need. On application, we have received whatever the amount, but the application money will be 1 lakh into 3, that is 3 lakh. Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. On allotment, we need 1 lakh into 2, that is 2 lakh.
Yes, sir.
On first call, it is also 1 lakh into 3. So actually, first of all, we should clear allotment. Okay. So the application money, total application money received was 4,80,000. And from this 4,80,000, we have utilized 3 lakh on our application. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So could you repeat it again?
Okay. The total amount that we have received on our application is 4,80,000.
Yes, sir.
And we have utilized only 3 lakh on application. So balance amount is 1,80,000 excess money.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now from that excess money, 1,80,000, we have utilized 80,000 here on allotment in this case, and 30,000 here, because the only balance amount is 30,000. So this will be utilized fully. Yes. So we have utilized 1,10,000 towards allotment. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So minus access application. It is 1,10,000. And actually, I will write here application money received also. 4,80,000, 1,80,000. This is access application. Okay, so access application money is 1,80,000 here, and from this 1,80,000 we have utilized 1,10,000 here. So the balance amount 90,000 we will receive on allotment. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because these shareholders will pay the full amount, because 20,000 into 2, and the balance 50,000 will be received here, because we can utilize only 30,000 here. So balance 50,000 here and 40,000 here. So 90,000 in first category. Total allotment money is already received in advance at the time of application. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the next part is first call. So first call, it is 1 lakh into 3. That is 3 lakh. Now minus excess application money here also. So how much excess application money is utilized in first call? Not 120, because total amount we cannot utilize. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
How much?
70,000.
What?
70,000.
70,000. Yes, because excess was 150. We have utilized 80,000 on allotment. So the balance 70,000 will be used on first call. So 70,000. Now 2,30,000. Sorry, 2,30,000 here. And there is no adjustment in final call. So only final. It is 1 lakh into 2. If it is asked by the company, then we will pass journal entry for this. Otherwise, we will not do the entry. Okay, so this is our simple oversubscription part. Now call scenario. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So on how much share we have not received the allotment money. For that, actually, we have to calculate the
Yes. Yes, sir.
There is 2 shareholders for which we have to calculate. We have to do separate calculation for these 2, Rishabh and Sudha. Okay, so let's
Okay.
do this also. First of all, Rishabh. Rishabh applied share is given. What I told you about this, if applied share is given,
We'll have to find the allotted shares.
yes, we have to find the allotted share. So allotted share will be 1,500 multiplied by, now we have to take the share applied and allotted of that category only, in which Rishabh belongs. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So which category Rishabh belongs? Belong to category 2.
Second category.
Means 50,000, 40,000. Yes.
40%. Yes, sir.
Okay. So allotted share, applied share is 1,500. Allotted share we have to calculate. So 40,000 will be numerator, denominator. Okay. So this is our 1,200 shares. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, Rishabh did not pay the allotment amount. Rishabh did not pay the allotment amount. Yes?
Allotment. Yes, sir.
Okay. But at the time of application, how much amount he has paid? On 1500 shares, he paid 3 rupee per share, so 4500.
Yes, sir.
And minus application. Application money utilized. How much company has utilized? So 1200 into 3. So 3600. This amount reserve has already paid in allotment also.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear to you, Fahim?
Yes, sir.
Because he paid 4500 on application, but he get only 1200 share. That's why total money utilized from his application money is 3600. So the balance 900 is his excess application money, and this will be utilized in allotment. And he did not pay the allotment money. How much amount he is required to pay on allotment? Can you tell me?
With 3000.
3000?
So 2400.
Yes. 2400 on 1200 share, he has to pay 2 rupees. So 2400, but he only paid 900. So there is call scenario of 1500. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes. Yes, Fahim.
No, sir. I just said it was clear.
Okay. Okay. So 1500. Now that's why I have leave this space. Call scenario on allotment is 1500. So only balance amount, that is 88,500, we will receive. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
first call part, the second shareholder, Sudha. Now in question, Sudha application is given. Yes, same. But he belongs to category 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Her
Yeah.
applied share was 1800. Now we will calculate allotted share also. So 1800 into 40,000 divided by 90,000. So 800 shares. Now in the question, it is said that Sudha did not pay the first call and final call. So let's check it first. Application money paid. $1,800 into 3, that is 5,400. Now application money utilized is 800 into 3. So he applied for 1800, but we have given only 800. So 800 into 3, 2400 here. Balance amount is excess money, 3000. Now in this application money, we will use allotment also. That's why it is written that C did C already paid allotment money. So 800 into 2, it is 1600, 1400 balance. Still there is balance of 1400. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 1,400.
Yes, this is excess application money after adjustment of allotment. Now, she did not pay the first call. So let's adjust. Let's find out calls in area in first call. So her call, first call money will be 800 into 3 because 3 on first call, 800 shares. So 800 into 3, 2400 minus 1400 she already paid. So 1000 call scenario in on first call. Okay. Okay. Now, how much call scenario will be deducted here from first call? Tell me. Ritika.
After 1 minute.
Fahim.
Sir, the calls in area, the amount of the calls in area,
Yes.
So what is the amount for Sudha? The call scenario amount?
1000. Yes, 1000.
So then it will be total 4,600.
4600. Okay, let me get the answer. Fahim, what do you think?
yes, sir, 4,600 for the calls in area.
Okay. Fahim, can you tell me how you got 4600?
Sir, 600. First, 600 is the amount adjusted in the calls.
600.
600 is the amount money adjusted in the calls.
Where is 600?
1 minute, sir.
Ritika, tell me the how you got.
Yes, sir. So 1,000 is from Sudha's share, 1,000 rupees. And the balance 300, 600, sorry, 3,600 is Rishabh's call scenario amount.
Rishabh calls in area because Rishabh did not pay the allotment money, so he will not pay the first call and final call also. Okay, that's why we have taken Rishabh share also. 1200 share we have given to Rishabh, so 1200 into 3 is the calls in area here. So that's why total 1200 into 3 plus 1000 of Sudha. 4600 here. Understood, fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 2,25,400. Now on final call, can you tell me the amount, Fahim?
Sir, the final call.
Yes. Okay, there is two calls in area here in final call also. 1,200 for
Sir, 1,200 and 1,500, right?
1,200 and 1,500. How?
Sir, one minute.
It is 1,200 into 2 for Rishabh and 800 into 2 for Sudha. So total 4,000. 1,96,000.
So,
Yes.
so here the excess application money, you written 1,10,000.
Where?
Where it's under allotment minus
Yes.
excess application. So I forgot how did we get that?
Okay. Actually, there is two category you can see here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in first category, total access application money was 1,50,000.
Yes, sir.
So from this, we have utilized this money, 80,000.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the first thing we utilized. In second category, there is only access money of 30,000. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we have utilized only this amount in allotment. So 30,000 this plus 80,000 this, 1,10,000.
Okay, sir.
Is there any other doubts? Now you can match the answer with this actually. Total access application money was 1,80,000. We have utilized 110 here and 70 here. So total 180. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is how we can check. Okay, now the journal entry part. So you have seen the calculation.
Yes, sir.
You understood the part or not?
So I understood.
Fahim?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Actually, calculation is a bit lengthy. This first part you can leave. I have just explained the things here. You can start from this application money received 4,80,000, application 1,03,000. But if you do this, then you will understand it very easily because you can see I have categorized and I have written this amount. I have taken all the amounts from here. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So after doing this, yes, it will take time, but it will be uh, correct because you will know things that is written here. You can check your answer also.
Yes, sir.
But if you don't do this, then here it will be little difficult. Your calculation will be maybe incorrect. Okay. So in these type of portion, you have to practice more because I don't think that this much lengthy portion will come in examination. But yes, if you practice more, you can solve these type of portion in 20 to 30 minutes max.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
So
sir.
I don't have to explain things to you, then it will be completed within 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so first entry is bank account debit to share application 4,80,000. Second is share application account debit to share allotment. Oh, sorry, to share capital first. Share capital account to share allotment. Two calls in advance. Now, when we write share allotment, we write the name of allotment always, but after that, we don't know when the call will be made. That's why we write calls in advance. So 4,80,000, 3 lakh to capital account, 1,10,000 to share allotment, and 70,000 in calls in advance. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Third, share allotment account debit to share capital. To share capital account. It is total amount will be 2 lakh. 1 lakh into 2 lakh. Now in this, we have already received some of the amount. Yes. And
Yes, sir.
we have to open calls in area account also. It is written in the portion. That's why bank account debit, calls in area account debit to share allotment account. So share allotment 1 lakh 10,000 we have adjusted here. It should be bank account will be 88,500. 1,500 is false in area and 90,000. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Next is share first call. To share capital. Now on share first call, we need 3 lakh. Bank account debit. Calls in area account debit. Now for him, you have to tell me the amount of this entry.
Sir, for the bank account, uh, sir, to share first call account, credit amount would be 2 lakhs.
2 lakh.
Yeah.
Okay.
And sir, what was the calls in area amount? 2002, 4,000, sir. Sir, the calls in area amount would be 4,000.
4,000.
Yeah.
4,600. It is clearly written here. How you got 4,000? Okay, Ritika, tell me the entry amount. The calls in
So
area is 4,600.
600, yes, sir. Um, so the bank account will be 2,30,000.
2,30,000.
No, sir, it will be 2,25,400.
2,25,400. Yes,
And then
because
the
total amount was 3 lakh and we have used 70,000 excess application money. So the first call should be 2,30,000 and there is call scenario of 4,600. That's why 2,25,400. So your answer is correct, Ritika. Very good. I think you have understood this part. Fahim, tell me, is this clear
Yes,
to
sir.
you? No, actually, if it is not clear to you, tell me because you are not able to give this answer to me.
Sir, like I was confused between the amounts, sir.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying to you that if it is not clear to you, tell me.
Yeah,
Yes.
it is clear now, sir. It is clear now.
Okay. So the next is share final call, account debit to share capital. So it will be a 1 lakh into 2 lakh here. Now, can you tell me the next amount, Fahim? Next entry amount. I'm writing the entry. Just tell me the amount. If you understood the previous entry, you will able to give the answer of this one. I can show you the calculation also. Tell me, we don't have enough time. We have to pass the
Yes, sir. Uh,
Ritika.
so call scenario will be 4,000.
Okay.
Uh, bank account will be 1,96,000. And then share final call will be 2 lakhs.
Okay, Fahim, tell me. I have shown you the calculation here.
yes, yes, sir.
So why you
Uh,
didn't tell anything?
Sir, can I pass the next entry? Because I knew this one. I had a doubt, but I knew this one.
Because this is clearly written here 2 lakh 4,96,000.
Yes, yes, sir.
Now the forfeiture entry. The forfeiture entry will be share capital account debit to share forfeiture account to share, not share, to calls in area only because calls in area account is open. So we don't have to write any calls name here. Now, we have forfeited 2,000 shares, 1,200 of Rishabh and 800 of Sudha. So total 2,000 shares is forfeited. So 2,000 into 10,
10,
20.
20,000.
Yes. Now
And
the
sir,
calls,
the calls in area would be 12,100, right?
12,100.
100.
4,000 here,
Yeah.
4,600 here, and 1,500 here. So it is 10,100.
Yeah, 10,100.
10,100 will be calls in area. And we have received is 9,000.
9,900.
Yes, 9,900. Now we can check this by seeing the calculation here. The first call scenario on actually first call 1,000. If we talk about final call scenario, then it will be 800 into 2, 1,600. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in Rishabh, allotment 1,500, first call and final call. We have 1,200 into 3 for first call. It is 3,600, and 1,200 into 2, it is 2,400. So total area in reserve was 7,500. And here in, where is it? Yes, here. Total 1,000 and 1,600, total 2,600. So 7,500 plus 2,600, it is 10,100. Is this clear to you, Ritika?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you do these type of question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have to
No.
try. Because there is,
Uh,
you were
I have
saying,
to sir, practice more this type
yes,
of question.
yes, you have to practice more, Fahim. That's what I'm saying. Because,
Yeah.
yes, you will make some error here, and your answer will not be correct. Maybe some of the entry or calculation will be incorrect, but that's not a problem. It happens with everyone. It happens with me also sometimes. So no issue in that. Just
Yeah.
practice more and more question so that at a time you will able to solve this question without any difficulties.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Ritika. So now in these two question, if you see, there is, I have chosen this question because this is the most difficult from these three. Okay, so I have leave 84 and 82 for you. So first and three, actually the number will be changed. So you will get first and three. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you have to solve this question. Is there any doubt or question you have? Actually, we will discuss the theoretical part in our next class, but I have explained the question to you clearly. So you can solve the question.
Yes, sir.
So any
Okay,
doubts
sir.
in this or any previous topic?
No, sir.